Have you seen those videos? Hundreds of creators talking about browser fingerprinting, but not a single one shows you how you actually kill it. They give you a basics VPNs and simple extensions, leaving your digital DNA exposed. You are not hiding, you are just a different color. And what we have got here? Firefox just killed the browser fingerprinting 2025? My apologies, sir, but I don't think Firefox stopped tracking your browser fingerprint. By my side, I provide evidence, so I am already using the latest version of Kali Linux and I am using Firefox, the latest version. And here we are. My browser has a unique fingerprint. In this video, I will reveal 3 different operating system setup to make you invisible. With a few clicks, you will completely kill your browser fingerprint. So let's start with Ubuntu. When I ran a test on EFFS covers your tracks, I found that Firefox was still leaking your data. Now let's look at Windows. You would probably expect Microsoft to leak all your data browser, but surprisingly, no, I have hardened the browser and here is the result. I have no unique browser fingerprint. However, no matter how much you harden Microsoft Edge, it will still leak your data. It's simply built that way. And here is the shocker, Kali Linux. Even though it's the king of hacking tools, it completely failed the privacy test. Out of the box, Kali is not built for anonymity, it's built for offense. And your fingerprint is wide open? Before we start, you need to install first Canvas Blocker. This extension will allow you to control your fingerprint on browser. After installing the extension, you will click on Settings. Once you are in the settings, make sure they matched what you see on the screen. Expert mode enable and fake block mode activated. Then open a new tab and type about semicolon config and hit enter. Yes, I accept the risk. I love front of risk. Okay, now you're not going into sophisticated codes. I'm just going to give you a few values. Search for them in the search bar and make sure they are set to true. Once you set these values to true, you are effectively hardening your browser's core. This forces browser to report generic information, making your specific device blend with thousands of others. Now let's talk about extensions. Using the right ones is crucial for privacy, but remember, having too many can actually backfire and they make your fingerprint more unique. Stick to these essential ones. Install Canvas Blocker to fake your browser's Canvas drawing API and use uBlock Oregon in hard mode to block advanced tracking scripts before they even breathe. The final test? Now let's refresh the page to verify results. I have disabled the extension so we can see before and after comparison. After turning it off, now your browser has a unique fingerprint. And one click, refresh the page. Now you have a randomized fingerprint. If you want the full list of hidden settings, check the description below and you're gonna find the extensions too.